What's up, guys? We are back with another episode. We're in Tanner's shop. We're working on his car. This is the first day the TT has been in the shop, and we are starting to work on it. Funny thing, I don't know if you guys can see that. His steering pump is already fucking up. So it is time to get to work. We got to rip out the motor. We're taking everything out. We're fixing everything. I'll see if I can display a picture on the screen to show you guys what he kind of wants this build to look like, in the sense it's going to be a real downforce power, kind of lower end power cornering car. So it's going to be crazy. It's going to be awesome. But yeah, we're starting tonight, so we'll see what we get done. We'll keep you guys updated. You and your beard. Shut up. I like it. Can we give you a little Hitler stash, please?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, bet. So what's next? We're jacking it up?
Jack it up. Drain all the oil out. See if there's any metal chunks in the oil.
That'll be a tall tale, won't it?
That'll be a tall tale of how fucked up this thing is. If there's no oil, or if there's no metal in the oil, then it's not as bad as I thought. But it's guaranteed there's going to be damage. Either the valves are going to be bent.
Probably going to be metal in the oil.
Worst case scenario, we bent the crankshaft, ruined some pistons, bent some valves and camshaft. That's worst case.
Worst case scenario.
That's only like an entirely new one.
Alright, yeah, I changed, so don't be scared. Tanner and I are draining the oil to see if there's going to be chunks in it of metal. It's going to be the tall tale to really see how fucked up it is. But we're getting in there, we're draining it, and then I think we're going to try to take the whole front end off, which I've done previously when Kyle owned the car, to replace his radiator. So, I mean, the front wheels got to come off, the whole bumper's got to come off, and radiator support and everything. So we'll get that all taken care of while, right after Tanner drains the oil.
I think I just broke my light.
Oh, you idiot.
Yeah. I just fucking broke the light.
Oh my fucking god, dude.
God damn it. Make some brewskis.
Yeah, so, super easy.
Give me a light. Quickly.
Oh yeah, wait, are those bubbles? I think that's metal.
No, that's just bubbles. There's some fucking metal in it.
Is there?
Just fucking dust. Nothing big. We'll have to pour it out really slow. Shit, I should have cleaned this out before I... Fuck, motherfucker. Oh well. We'll never know.
All right, first of all, fuck you, Kyle, for tightening the wheel so tight. What have we broken? Oh,
We've broken a ratchet completely.
We broke a ratchet. Where's the other?
We had a
adapter.
I threw it somewhere.
Yeah, it was an adapter like this one, but bigger.
It's right here. It's still on the breaker bar.
Oh.
It broke the little hex off of it.
Yeah, we snapped that shit off. We're just trying to get these.
Now we're on some redneck breaker bar.
Yeah, we're just trying to get this shit off, but it's not coming off. But whatever. God, you're ugly.
Fuck you.
So now we're gonna be taking out the fender. We're gonna be taking out the fender wells, and then we'll be going with the front bumper. So we're gonna get this shit taken off, and then we'll be able to expose the engine. And we're definitely not gonna get the motor out tonight. I doubt it. I mean,
I just wanted to leave it out.
but we'll see. We'll keep you guys updated. Tanner's a bitch.
You're a fucking bitch.
I got lucky and pulled the clip off in like 2 seconds. His ain't coming off in 2 seconds. But bumper's off, headlights are out, wheels are off, fender liners are out. So now we're gonna be taking off the brace bar or the bumper, and then we're gonna start attacking the radiator and everything. Alright, I took a nap because I was tired as shit, but we now have the radiator off, we're getting the AC condenser off, and we're getting the radiator fans off. So now it looks like this, those, that. Tanner's high as shit right now because he just sucked in a bunch of CO2 from the AC condenser. Getting pissed off with all this wiring.
Because Kyle McLean's a fucking idiot.
Come here and look at this bullshit.
How lazy are you to not unfucking clip this fucking clip and just cut the wires? Like, oh my god. And all this
Copyright up
bullshit and
I don't make money on my videos, so it don't matter. But yes.
Come on, let's start making money, YouTube.
I don't know what made me lose more brain cells. The fact that Kyle McLean did this, or I just inhaled all the CO2 from the AC. So, I don't know what, I'm at a loss of words.
Alright, we'll update you when we make another step in the right direction. But it's going pretty good.
Huh? Where are you putting all the bolts? Bags. Bolts, bags.
Alright, we'll get a bag. Track your bolts in a bag, guys. This is a real simple but a real great thing to do. You can buy little plastic bags like that, and so you can put all your bolts in it and write shit on it. Great way to track shit. Did you just throw something at me?
Yeah.
What'd you do?
Slag.
Fuck you.
That's
fine. Well, so we're gonna. What time is it?
2 in the morning.
It's 11:43. So we're gonna call it good for tonight. We've got a decent amount. The whole front end's off, so that's good. Next we'll be taking off intercooler and shit like that.
Intercooler, intake manifold,
battery,
disconnecting hoses, battery, intake, all that shit. So we can prepare.
Yeah.
so we can prepare to fucking take this engine out and rebuild the motherfucker
Yes.
and put Go Fast parts on it.
Yes. All right.
Later, suckers.
See you tomorrow.
Peace out. We'll see you tomorrow.